皆さんこんにちは、かずえです。Everyday Kanji, Kanji on the street. Today's kanji is this. Means hurry, sudden, or urgent. On reading is Q. Kun reading is 急ぐ hurry. The stroke order of this kanji is this. So, most likely, you'll see this kanji in the train station, like 急行 express train. And there's a word, 急停車. Do you remember 停車 means stopping a car? So, 急停車する means make a sudden stop. Okay, here is what you'll see this kanji, 急 on the street.Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed. じゃあまた明日。バイバイ。